I arrive at the office. I arrive at the office. I clock in. I clock in. I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I check my emails. I greet my colleagues. I greet my colleagues. I say good morning to everyone. I say good morning to everyone. I attend the morning meeting. I attend the morning meeting. I take notes in the meeting. I take notes in the meeting. I make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of coffee. Start my daily tasks. I start my daily tasks. I type a report. I type a report. I update the spreadsheet. I update the spreadsheet. I reply to important emails. I reply to important emails.
I prepare documents for the meeting. I prepare documents for the meeting.
I have a video call. I have a video call. I discuss the project with my team. I discuss the project with my team. I share my ideas. I share my ideas. I listen to my boss's feedback. I listen to my boss's feedback. I work on a difficult task. I work on a difficult task. I try to solve the problem. I try to solve the problem. I ask my colleague for help. I ask my colleague for help. I finish my tasks on time. I finish my tasks on time. I feel stressed sometimes. I feel stressed sometimes. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I eat lunch at the cafeteria. I eat lunch at the cafeteria. I heat my lunch in the microwave. I heat my lunch in the microwave. I eat with my coworkers. I eat with my coworkers. I talk about weekend plans. Oh, what are your plans?
I'm going hiking.
I talk about weekend plans. I drink coffee after lunch. I drink coffee after lunch. I take a short break. I take a short break. I walk around the office. I walk around the office. I check my phone during break. I check my phone during break. I work together with my team.
Yes, the data looks good.
I agree. Great work. I work together with my team. I help my teammate. I help my teammate. I present my work. I present my work. I say thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I say thank you for your help. I send a message to my boss. I send a message to my boss. I ask for more time on the project.
I understand.
I have project. I feel sick today. I feel sick today. I want to take a day off. I want to take a day off. I ask for permission to leave early.
Of course.
I ask for permission to leave early. I say I need to take annual leave.
Okay, that sounds fine.
I say I need to take annual leave. I submit my leave request. I submit my leave request. I hope my boss approves it. I hope my boss approves it. I work overtime tonight. I work overtime tonight. I finish urgent work. I finish urgent work. I feel tired after overtime. I feel tired after overtime. I have too much workload. I have too much workload. We have a company dinner tonight. We have a company dinner tonight. I attend the company party. I attend the company party. I talk with my colleagues at the party. I talk with my colleagues at the party. We sing karaoke together. We sing karaoke together. We sing karaoke together. I organize my desk. I organize my desk. I organize my desk. I organize my desk. I say goodbye to my team. I say goodbye to my team. I clock out. I clock out. I turn off my computer. I turn off my computer. I wait for the elevator. I wait for the elevator. I take the elevator. I take the elevator. I go down the escalator. I go down the escalator.